Good Saturday morning, y'all. Hope y'all is enjoying this Memorial Day weekend. Hope you have a lot planned. I know I sure do. I was originally going to go out to 1806 Adventures for their grand opening this weekend. But somebody thought it would be a great idea to just spontaneously bust a hole in its own radiator. Shamey truck. So I was going to tow the Jeep up there because it's an hour drive on this thing. It's probably going to like half a tank of gas. That thing does not measure miles per gallon. It does gallons per mile. So now it could have fixed the radiator, but someone decided it needed new batteries at the same time. Yes, it has two of them, $300 for both. My radiator would have costed half that. So at least got her Jeep going. Truck, still, we ain't got the funds to fix it right now. But we're going to have a good time and not tear this thing up because I can't have two of them down. So instead of going to 1806 Adventures, we're headed out to Rush Off-Road. Oh, Rush Off-Road, you always go Rush Off-Road. I know, that's why I want to try something new this weekend. But I've never been to a poker run, and that's going on. Downside is I'm only staying for half the poker run. It starts from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. I have to leave at 5. What's a poker run? A poker run, from what I understand, since I've never been to one, is you get a group of people together, they pay out, I think, like $20 or something to enter, and they just ride the trails together. And whenever they stop, the leader goes by and gives everyone a playing card. And you do this a couple of times throughout the ride, and then you get back to your starting point, or end point, whatever, and whoever has the best hand wins the pot. Pretty cool. Like I said, never been to one, never, or anything. I kind of want to, but I'm going to join one, I think it's July 24th. Also at Rush, so that'd be pretty cool. After the poker run, while I have to leave early, I got a friend from Ohio coming down to race at Willard Raceway in the 4-cylinder class, dirt track. So I'm gonna go watch him. I missed the past 2 races. Last time we seen this guy, he blew his car up in the middle of the race. So we're calling this his redemption round. So that'll be pretty cool and interesting. Then Sunday we have a Jeep show. I want to say it was only $15 last year to enter, but this year it's $30. So I don't even think I'm going to enter. And if I do, we're entering the YJ. Why is it such a big deal? Because we usually enter my wife's Jeep. And over there, we don't really pay for it. We just take it. And my kids' Power Wheels. Everyone loves seeing her take that little Jeep out there. It's so funny. Last year I was getting real big into RCs. We had RC Jeeps all over the hood. It was funny. And then after that, on Monday, we're going to a friend's house, and he does like podcasts and stuff. So we're going to, like, he does like political content, but this time we're doing something a little different, like just like news in our area kind of thing. Trying something a little different, help him out. He's not getting the subscribers and the views that he's wanting, so I'm hoping together we can make a really good, interesting video and actually get his name out there. It's a Welcome to the Doghouse. I'll link him down the description here, so you'll check that out. Now this video is going to be dash cam footage of this Jeep, not from Memorial Day weekend. No, this is a footage I forgot I had from Mother's Day. Sorry it's shaking a little bit. It's a little cold out here. I forgot my hoodie real quick. Had to come out and get this intro. I hate doing them inside. The kids are like, I'm like, hey, get out of here, try to do something. So I gotta come outside and do these. Sorry for the long intro. Anyway, part of the video, the sound cut out, so I'm gonna do a quick voiceover, and yeah, let's get into it. Nope, it turned itself on as soon as you started. There it goes. Does it still have a top to it, buddy? Oh, don't you start spinning. I feel like knocking you in on dirt. You alright?
Yeah, I hit my elbow on the door.
Oh, yeah.
I just cleaned that nail off for you.
No need in it. The mirrors on this are strictly for looks.
that goes.
I thought that was the Jeep getting outlined in there.
No. What a fun little hill.
My elbow don't hurt, but it feels like it's bleeding, and I know it's not bleeding because
It's probably just mud dripping off of it.
and it's not wet, so I know it's not bleeding.
They'll be cutting hay up here if they keep letting it go.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see y'all whenever we find something else interesting. Oh, there we go. There's a good hole up here. I don't know how deep it is. They're spinning a two-wheel drive. If they're spinning, that means we're going to have fun. Look at all lockers. So it looks like he's... I think he tried going around and found out that is thick on the right. There we go. What we want to do? We want to go straight, left, or right, buddy?
Straight.
That's no fun. We're going to do the right.
Oh, dang. Dang it, I tried to get you to go straight. Same four-wheel drive, I think. I'm plugging my nose so that don't happen to me. Oh, you're playing it more. I got it in my eyeball.
Mom and Dad splashed this, and I missed it, but we're going to ease our way through it and see if we can make some mud fly. Pretty good little water hole. Oh. Oh, we're going to go this way, okay. Not where I wanted to go. There we go, we're finally through it. Very good one there.
Now, so here, my sound cut out. I don't know what happened. The rest of the video don't have no sound either. I don't know why. But Mom and Dad we was trying to find a hill back here, and we got distracted in this mud hole. As you see here, Dad hit it first there, and, well, he didn't make it. So, right there, I had my mom climb through the back of the Jeep and hand me her tow rope, and she hooked it up there. They got a hook under the plate there. That way I didn't have to go in waist deep waters and all that, and it was the best way to get it all hooked up without anyone getting knee deep in mud. And here I am, I'm getting my rope out and getting it hooked up, and she's shutting the back of her Jeep. Now I'm moving so quick because that's on 10x. I don't really move that quick. Someone's out there, damn, he's moving fast. No, I'm not. Getting them all hooked up, letting Dad know, hey, we're ready to go. And so here we go. Sadly, my 4-low don't work all the time, so I was doing this in 4-high. And yeah, I didn't have enough torque to actually spin the tires none. So we unhooked. I ended up turning around, didn't work. So ended up unhooking him, and he winched himself out. You see there, went through there, locked it in halfway, and came on out. And right about here, I started getting cocky. I tell Dad, hi, I'm making it pretty fine. So I stopped, and then I had trouble getting going again. So right here, we're in a little swamp area. I told Dad, all right, last 2 times you went first, you got stuck, so let me lead the way for you. And so we out here having a good old time playing in the mud. Thankfully, this mud was only about a couple inches deep, and it had a solid bottom, so it made for a really fun play area. You see me over there recording on my tripod, recording Mom and Dad going through it. That's on a different video. Will be tagged down at the bottom. It's on my Mother's Day video. Here we are leaving. Thought I was going to get stuck right here. This struggled right there. But she made it on out. Now, I can't do nothing about the mud on the windshield now. That's, if I turn my wipers on, is this going to smear? My windshield washer fluid don't work. But here we are, leaving. And a nice little trail headed out here. This thing here is getting a little rougher than. But there's other ways down there too. That's a little spot. But it ain't too bad for right now. What a view. We made a wrong turn somewhere or another, and that was going to take us over a big hill down to their barn down by the road, and we was like, yeah, let's not go that way. Alright, so we're headed out. Hope you liked the video. Sorry about the video being a little goofy, and most of the video me listen to me talk. No, I know no one likes my sound of my voice. I don't either. Like I said, that was on a Mother's Day weekend. I know I'm putting it out here on Memorial Day weekend. We got a lot going on. I wanted to make this before I headed out to Rush. And I'll see y'all later.